taking a walk on the beach when I moved back home looked a lot different than I was a kid. You know, I was just kind of walking the beach and looking with my eyes, wondering what could be used at the restaurant. For many years we cooked foods from all around the world, and now this was an opportunity to actually focus on Newfoundland ingredients and discovering what was around you, what was available and what was edible, you know, and how to harvest certain things.
Seafood soup. It's one of the first recipes in the book. It's kind of a staple.
Yeah, it's really fantastic to be able to go to, you know, these communities that surround the park. You know, there's so many interesting characters and people, you know, hauling pots for lobsters, out cod fishing. So it really allows you, you know, to incorporate wild ingredients. When I go to Gros Morne National Park with the family, or even sometimes by myself, I really feel like I hit the pause button.